lunch, dinner. I pop up at Just Eat and I spend my money, make government money. So, let me tell all of you plank people this. One, let me tell all of you planks this. I don't care if you like me, you don't like me. I don't care if you support me or not. I have moved on in my life. I have moved on. And I will continue to move on too. You hear me? So you plank, you stay on Porty because you have nothing better to do with your life. You have nothing better. You don't realize I barely come in here. I barely come on social media. That little hyena, she's on YouTube 3-4 times a day because she's hungry. The woman will not eat or pay her bills without YouTube. Me on the other hand, I sit on my fat ass. I sit on my fat ass and I collect every 2 weeks, every month. So you hear that? Every 2 weeks, I get something. Every month, I get another big one. So whether you guys support me or not, I don't care. Whether you guys like me, I don't give a shit either. I don't care. So Plankatarians on Porty's page. Make this be the very last time you say this out of your mouth. Say I want the views. Because I don't. I actually don't. Take the view and push it in your batty hole. Take the view and stuff it in your big thunder batty hole. Or whatever. Anyway, you can find a hole. Take a view and stuff it in there. You understand? Keep it cute, now. Keep it cute. I'm good without you. Get out of here. Move. You know realize what a lot of you people? Mephisto, you guys think without Plank people are nothing. Mephisto, a lot of you think without Donna fans, people like myself is nothing. The world has 7 billion people. The world has 7 billion people. Donna only has 700,000 out of the 7 billion. Which is a great number? 7 billion or 700,000? Which is the greatest number? You people, you want to stop. Go and accept on his God's gift. You don't want to stop. You don't want to stop it. You don't need to stop this. You don't need to stop it. Because it's not sounding good. You need to stop it, Planka people. You need to stop this nonsense. Because none of you are God's gift to creation. You're not. None of you are bigger than God himself. None of you. Me, I am not bigger than God either. And I will never come out and proclaim like I am. And trust me, I don't come out here chasing for your views. I don't want to keep it. You don't hate me already. So why should I come out here and try to attract people who hates me? I'll be a damn fool. I'll be a freaking idiot, right? I'm not a fool. Maureen did not raise a freaking idiot. Why should I attract people who already detest me, who already detest the ground I walk on? You see all the dark? On see how you people is friggin' dark? Me should attract people to my page who already hates me. How does that one work? How does that one work? On too damn dark. Go to school. On it's too damn illiterate and contentious and that content never damn word. You're too damn chaotic. Move on, man. Me know some don't like me, so why am I gonna try to attract you here? Move up. Move. Leave me alone. From this cursing onslaught from my people and their people coming out to each side. Did I tell a lie? Did I tell a lie? I am sure all sides, myself and her and the people, even if the people are still carrying feelings towards me, that's fine. I said, right? I said, even if the people are carrying feelings for me, at least me and Donna know we have made peace. We did make peace. Why should that peace be broken? I don't want to know. It's that damn Erica. That damn Erica. And anyone else who's out here pushing her. I don't want. But I'm even stuttering. Let me tell all of you this. None of you, could I hate me till God come? I don't care. I don't care. Hate me. Hate me not. I don't care. All me know say. That apology what Donna gave to me and the apology I gave to her, it will stand. It can't broke down again. So, when you could try, Porty, keep trying. Porty, keep trying. It not gonna work. It's not working. Anyone who's pushing you to come at me because no one come and act like a damn clown or a damn fool, it won't work. You're not getting an apology. So don't insult yourself. Me and Donna, we are good now. We are great now. And that's the truth. I'm going to care who are upset. We are good now. And this does not mean that I'm seeking her validation because Donna is not God. Donna is a woman from Jamaica who was successful on social media. I can be successful too. If this is what God wants of me, God will make me successful. God will make things happen if and when He wants it to happen. I will sit back and I'll be patient. And if it don't happen, Porty, even if it does not happen, I won't care. Because trust me, as long as I have 2, 5, 7, or 11 people to come in here and talk to, I am fine. Don't you realize I spend all of my day on TikTok, most of my day on TikTok? It's always 8 of us, 7 of us in one box, and the host, which makes 8. And we chat hardy, we chat fat, and we go from live stream to live stream, right? Am I complaining? Porty said the problem with you, you love war. And you're not gonna get it. You cannot get it. You hear me, lady? You can't get it. I am fine being on my low horse. I am fine with 30 people, like with a plank person. I am fine with the 30 on my page. Bear in mind, I chased a lot of you away. My black hawali pound to. Right? So what's the issue? What's the problem? The last run, when I run some and black some, I knew I knew it was never gonna come back to how it was. But I don't care. I do not care. At this moment, I am at peace. I am at peace. Come out in the business. I don't have to come down on damn mix up. Move for yourself. Well, phone mix up, phone a nasty mix up. I don't want to get caught up in on a nasty mix up. Move for yourself.
I cancel them, we cancel him.
Yeah. I cancel, we cancel. Hello, Paz. Erica, let me tell you something. Anyone who deserves to be cancelled on here, it's you and the other one. And anyone else on here who's behaving like damn lunatics, who's behaving like freaking imbeciles, I only forget cancer. Not me. I know. Hello? Can someone tell me, am I on here based on my old behavior to how I'm behaving now? Am I behaving like a damn freaking imbecile? Anyone who deserves to be cancelled is you, Erica, and anyone else who is out here doing the things that you do and constantly be in battles and shit. Even if them cancel me, how is that gonna benefit your life? How is that gonna affect your life in any way? How is that gonna affect your life? If them cancel me, how is that gonna affect your life? How is that gonna better off your life? How? How by only cancel me? How is it gonna better off your life, Erica? How is your life gonna be any better? Is your life glorious right now? Are you living a glorious life? Are you living a glorious life? Is your life top tier where you have no worries in the world? How is them cancel me? How is it gonna benefit your life? On a cancel me. On a top watch me here. Top watch me. Let me sit up here with like a 5 people. Yes, please. So she can be happy. Let her be happy. On a guan. Hello? On a guan over Erica and don't come back over Yassa because I'm tired of the contention. I'm tired of I don't want to be I don't want to get caught up in them nasty. I don't want to be in it. So you want to guan off your yard. Guan yard. Yeah, and don't come back. Please, go on over there. Come here about that. Porty, I hope this will make you feel better after now. Them cancel me. Them cancel me now. Me cancelled. Tell them and go on.
Cancel them, we cancel him. Every talk on over right. Cancel in our comment section, then we cancel him.
You're there.
Completely cancel him.
You're there. Porty, make I tell you something. I feel like me a cuss now. Porty, let me tell you something. It's not my fault you're picking them cancer for them mama. Hello? Which is worse? People, total strangers cancel me. I'm an offspring them who me give birth, who me push them a big hole, cancel me. I which one worse? But come up talk, girl. How is people who I don't know gonna benefit my life? Cancel me. And that's your pick them, you push it to your big hole, and that's how them cancel you. Because they say you was no good, you was that a good mother, so them cancel you. And which one worse, girl? Which one worse? People who don't know cancer, I want to pick them a cancer. How which one worse? I could talk porty, which one worse? You want to pick them cancer, you big back that to them, I your Batman son. You say them cancer, them cancer you. You are officially cancelled by your own offsprings, girl. Which is worse? How which one worse, port? Angela Merchant, how which one worse? You see a big back that to them cancer. You want the 2 left foot. You see them cancer. Which is worse, my girl? My girl, port, which is worse? Me have to ask her, me have to ask her. No, me have to one girl content. One girl content. Hello, hyena. How which one worse? And me get cancer by total strangers or me getting cancer by my offsprings. The one that push them, I would have pushed them a crutches. I mean, I'm talking about you. Which is worse, my girl? You're a lonely old cow, and you will leave this world alone. Porty, you will leave this world alone. Now them all flinging on one box and flinging their ground. You're not shame. You're not shame. Imagine. I hope you have life insurance put in place. I hope you have a life insurance policy put in place. So if God forbid something bad happen, the people can make arrangements for you. I hope so. I would try and worse. Porty, I would try and worse. Me being cancelled by total strangers who I don't know. I'm the one I pick them cancel me. And I will never see my little grandson. I would try and worse. I have to ask my girl, I would try and worse. You want to come blackboard that one here? Come blackboard that one here. And which one worse? You're picking them cancel you and you will never see your little grandbaby. You're mad hyena. You not see them. Them come at Jamaica. Me see them come at Jamaica and then go watch it and you never see them. Go away. You should be ashamed. You have to shame yourself. You're cursed. You have been cursed with. You're cursed. You can't curse me. For you to curse me, you have to go to say you talk to your pitting them yesterday or today. I say you can't cuss me. You can't cuss me. And you can't cuss me neither. Go away. You're cursed. Your whole life cursed. Look by your belly. Yeah, carry on. You're walking around out here. You're walking around out here with a 5-year belly. And all of the damn baby can't born. You see, you're cursed. You probably have cancer in your big stinking gut. You're cursed. You be like a trike lighter. Click. You see, I damn functioning schizophrenic. You're a druggist. Go away. You can't cuss me. And no girl I want people can't cuss me either. Because birds will feel flock to me and I'm not like any of you. Go away, hyena. Go love yourself. Go and mend those broken bridges with a big back pitting them. And go and fix your mama house. Make live in a nice house. Go look at this man to fix their flooring. Go away, you're cursed. Your whole family cursed. Your entire family cursed. From ma to you have mad brother when you out a rubbish pan. You have mad brother piece up himself. And you out a rubbish pan. Go away, your whole family cursed. You can't chat to me. As crippled as I am. A brain tumor cause that brain tumor. A tumor in my brain cause that. But your family then cursed. You can chat to move up. Go blackboard this cursed hyena, Erica Merch. Go blackboard that one here. The dog. I have moved on for it. I have. So. I mean, I beg Donna for nothing on a go away. Right.
How much time been done? How much time after this thing done? Me say, that's why me say.
I still
Me
say
not
what?
happy for no boy. No boy or no girl come out, them a apologize. They can keep that.
Mad not mad big crutches girl. You never get none. Angela, you never got none. You didn't get one. Donegal got one, and Donegal one was Stan. Majesty got one. In fact, I reached out to both of them. Me, take my time. I'm going to the toilet phone. Plank was blocked my main phone. I'm a pull for one of my other phones and my messenger, and they responded. I'm going to Majesty phone and they respond. Did I come in your phone? Did I message you? Erica, you're nobody to me. And you listen, you will leave this world and nobody to me to respect. You are nobody to me. Nobody. You understand? You're what? A nobody to me. Go away. The dog.
Keep that ass.
You was never getting none. You was never getting none. You was never getting none.
And then it's cold and come. And them come and kneel down.
What? Then come on, what? I need long to all.
Just reach in and then they come back on turn right.
You hear her? Tell me this woman, she's not inciting. Under God I love Angela, she's inciting the people them to keep chastising me. That's how I feel. She is out here inciting these unhinged people to keep chastising me. That's how I feel. Bear in mind, all of them on her page are freaking unhinged and chaotic. So she's inciting them to keep harassing me, amongst other things. Duh. Porty, I never apologized to you. I apologized to Donegal and Majesty and Chocolate and Vanilla and Flawless Rain. And who else? That's it. Did you get one? You never got none. So why are you inside 7 of this boat? My apology to all of them is going to stand. All of them who I made an apology to, it is going to stay. You not get none because you don't deserve one. You don't deserve nothing from me. Come off my back, lady. Go on. You don't even realize? Because you pick them and don't love you, you find people to pick on. But it's not my fault. Go and pray about it. Go pray about it and ask God to help you to find your way back to your picnic and come off of people back and come off of social media. You are an old freaking cow. You are an old cow. And you should not be on here being caught up in nastiness like that. But then again, I say you grow. You are a product of your environment. You're so damn nasty and corrupted and very, very I say you stay. Right? Do you see the house? Right? Sean, you know, you hear her? You hear her? Here she now trying to incite Donegal to chase me away. But Porty, if Donegal chase me away, how is that gonna benefit your life in any way, shape, or form? How is